Alrighty guys, jam box breaks, 8:48 p.m. Eastern Time on the 12th. We're breaking Mosaic No Huddle Football 4-boxer. Number 1. I might do the others on eBay, guys, since this doesn't seem... Everyone seems to want to be just doing Prism now instead of going back to Mosaic, so... Mosaic, whatever you want to call it. God, this thing's heavy. Alright guys, good luck. I did get a full case of rookies and stars in as well. Start posting some stuff tomorrow. Again, any football breaks you guys are doing, get first dibs at Immaculate. I only got one case of Immaculate unless I do a rebuy. Once I find out how much it is. Nope, well, they won't give me no more soccer now. Now that everyone's hyped about soccer, they won't give me none. Couldn't even get fucking NASCAR, for God's sakes. And NC NASCAR and Dynasty NASCAR, they wouldn't give it to me. It's unreal. No one breaks fucking NASCAR. Nope, no soccer. No basketball. No NASCAR. Hardly any football. It's crazy. Alright guys, box 1. Alright, we got Brandon Ayuk. Number to 50, 2 of 50. Alright, we got a Carson Wentz. I don't know what they're calling these, the regular old refractors or sparkles or whatever the hell they are. Got Justin Herbert. Alright, we got a Jordan Love blue. Number to 75. Another Herbert. Got a T.Y. Hilton. Discos, maybe. Oh, man. This guy said next big break is M&M's. Yeah, M&M's don't have an order, and that's just color. Tom Brady, Man of Mastery. Alright, we got Troy Aikman pink. Perfect color for the Cowgirls. Number to 20, 2 of 20. Jalen Rager on the disco. And Kyle Rudolph for the Vikings. You go to Jesse. Thanks, Jesse. Thanks, Rick. Rich. All right, so disco autograph of Kyle Rudolph. A silver of Kenny Galladay. No, just colors, bud. No patches. It's a chrome product. Got Josh Allen disco. Got a Hilaire on the silver. Very nice for KC. Stephon Diggs. Jesse, I think I'm going to do the other ones on eBay breaks, bud, because it's taking too long to fill. Got Lynn Bowden Jr. disco. It's going for a lot higher on there than I posted it. The Raiders. Bring some new people in the room. All right, we got Jordan Love in the introductions disco. What do you mean, what are the kids doing? I don't have no kids here. All right, Anthony McFarland Jr. disco. Yeah, the kid's an idiot for even posting that. What's this in my box? Troy Aikman silver. There's be 3 silver per. We only got 2. Unless the other one, Clyde Hilaire, was considered one. Alvin Kamara on the disco. All right, that's box 1. Box 2. That whole group, man, is a mess. People scamming people left and right. Well, does he have to agree for you to post it? Because it wasn't like that before. Thomas runs it. Thomas Harris, and I see him commenting all the time. I think he's one of the admins. Might have just turned that feature on because of all the stupid posts. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty retarded. Half the time the stuff gets posted there. Alright, we got Derek Brown Disco, Carolina. Got a Tua rookie. Got Rod Woodson on the silver. Really? I don't know. I don't even pay attention to it. I just get it in my news feed all the time. Another Tua rookie. Debut. B-Dog on the disco. Justin Herbert on a disco. I don't know why they don't have him in a pro uni. Didn't we just pull a rookie of him? Or is that a variation? Why the hell is he in a college uni in that one? That's weird. Alright, we got Kevin King disco. Disco of Josh Allen. We got variations. They shouldn't put him in a college uni though. It's weird. Another Herbert. So he's selling for stupid money. He's not even that good. I mean, they're stinking. They're not winning no games. I don't get it. Van Der Esch on the silver. Claypool on the disco. Alright, we got Urlacher Gold. Number 10 of 10. Who's got the Bears? Going to Jalenta. Hall of Fame. Very nice. Joe Burrow. Yes, it has. COVID's definitely made all the crazies come out in this hobby. Jerry Rice disco. Definitely have. Alright, there's a Jefferson Blue. Number 66 of 75. What Jesse's looking for. A disco Devontae Parker. Got Zach Thomas silver. Disco of Montgomery. J.K. Dobbins in the purple, number /50. He's having a good rookie season. A Tiki Barber, number /75. And we got a Robbie Anderson for the Jets, number 5/10. I'm sorry, not Jets. It's actually Panthers. He was a Jet. Panthers is... Oh, that's the Panthers. I put him with another team. Yeah, I did with Packers. That's going to Brian. All right, box 3. I post some more football tomorrow, guys. Also, Stadium Club Chrome Baseball. I'm doing half, so it'll be 8 boxers. Not sure what releases this week, besides Immaculate Football. Yeah, Jesse. I see when I will. I still want the Eagles to win, dude. I don't care about the draft pick, to be honest with you. I'd rather win in division. We can still pull it out somehow. I don't think Jalen Hurts is the answer, but for now, if he can escape the shitty O-line, then I'm all for it. Because Wentz can't run. He has no time. We'll see. Good thing is the Saints don't know anything about him, so that helps us out. Alright, Aikman Disco. Tua. We got Derwin James, silver. Another Tua. DK Metcalf on the Disco. Cole Kmet Disco. Variation. Got AJ Green Disco. Got Lamar Jackson Disco. playing like absolute garbage. Jordy Nelson silver. And we got a Rodney Hampton for the G-Men. Going to TJ. Devin Duvernay disco. Got a pink of Jalen Ramsey, numbered 7 of 20. Joe Burrow. Okay, Antonio Gibson. Disco. You gotten some color already, Andy. The Hilaire's nice. Got a Robert Woods blue, number to 75. You got disco of what's his name, Claypool as well. Got Devin McCourty disco. There's only one auto box, man, so it's tough. Juju, silver. People get in it for the colors and the silvers more than the autos. Chris Jones, disco. Got a Cam Akers purple, numbered to 50. And Tremaine Edmonds blue, number 275. Alright guys, last box, good luck. Jesse must be behind if he just saw the color of Jefferson. Splash Bash. All right, we got Jason Witten on the blue, number to 75. Lynn Bowden Jr. in the purple, number 250. Ready, Jalen Hurts disco. Silver Tre'Davious White. Got Sam Darnold disco. She needs to leave the Jets. I still got faith in him. Troy Polamalu, number to 75. What's up, Josh? Not much, bud. Same old, same old. All right, Marquise Brown on the disco. Where you been, man? Taking a break from breaks. Joe Burrow. And we got Bud Dupree for the Steelers. Going to Andy. Tua. Jesse S. for the top order. Jefferson. Yeah, Colts ain't coming out right now, are they? Silver Joe Burrow, very nice. Sucks it's the debut. Not the regular, but we'll take it. TJ Watt disco. Yeah, it's definitely crazy pricing, man. Women's Best comes out soon, though. That's always good price, even though it's double the price this year. We got Gabriel Davis for the Bills. Disco. Variation. Disco Terry McLaurin. Drew Lock disco. Staubach. Silver of Antonio Gibson. Yeah, he had a bad season. Alright, guys, that is it. Alright, I'll have some more football posts tomorrow, guys. Again, I got some Absolute, I got Illusions, I got all kinds of stuff. A couple boxes of each, and I got a full case of whatchamacallit in too. Rookies and Stars. I'll give this a couple days to post some more of this, probably. After we fill some other ones up. So I still got 16 boxes of this. So, all right, guys, appreciate it. Have a good night.